Good morning, everybody. Hey, it's a little early. I've been eating breakfast and kind of getting settled in. Been buying up in this way. You can see where I've been buying. Looking to buy down into 84, 84 half, 84. Uh, what I would like to see is this come up and test this area, and then we can see if it's going to fail or not at the open. I will be looking to take some off in this area. 94 2 to 94 8, somewhere in this area. So I'll pause it. It's 7:57 Central Time. Still got 30 minutes or so before the market opens, and we'll see how this entry pans out. I've got the stop in place. I've got 5 more contracts built into this area here, and I'll buy it all the way down if I have to, and do have a stop at 83. So I'll pause it and come back. All right, guys, we're getting 4 minutes to the open. Tighten up the stop. Probably gonna up be 1.8 points or something like that. I'll take a little bit off. What you see coming down, we built a nice divergence here. It's riding up, expecting a separation from the band here. Same thing with here. We had a nice bullish divergence on the 233 as well during this area, which gives you a higher probability here with the nice bulge underneath the 377, and we were turning up on the 610. So that was the reason thinking going long here for a quick trade. I am wondering if we do get down to that 84 area. See if they'll take me at the open here. We've got 2 minutes, I think, minute and a half. Tighten up the stop since we were so close. Get this out of the way now. We've limited some of our risk. We've got the foundation in here. We should get a separation from this here. 987 starting to turn up. Still have a lot to 60, 57 to print. Bands are separated pretty good here, but we'll see how this pans out. About 30 seconds to the open. There's the bell. See the reaction we get at 91.8. See if they'll hit 91.6. Okay, they did go up and hit 91.8. It went through. We want to look at retracements here. I'm just going to be break even, and we'll see if we can get a push off here at the open now. We're up 4.5 points on this lot. Having trouble getting filled on that. It hit it a couple times, still not filling. There it goes. Alright, so we've got 3 to ride. Break. We'll go break even plus 2. I think that's right. Yeah, break even plus 1. And we'll see what reaction we get here at what I was looking at to begin with. We should run up to this line, and if we're going to get rejected, it should be here in this area. Still flattening out on the MACD down here. We are getting some separation. I'm expecting a little bit more push. We're on the rail on the 610. We are coming to underneath of the top of the band here. I am expecting one more push. Okay. It's not giving it to us. Just checking out some other things, looking at news. This could be 93.7 I'm seeing is something on the 610 I'm watching. So I just sold the market. I got 2 contracts left. And I'll hold on to those, and let's see what kind of push we can get going through the day. And I'll be back here shortly. Running back up into this 93.7 area and having a little bit of trouble. Still looks went ahead and took another one. I mean, of course I sold a little early, into VWAP and the mid band, selling it off as we go up. I was really thinking we'd get up to there. $6.10 still looks good, especially with that nice bulge underneath. That was a good sell this morning. That there was going to be some momentum, at least at the open. I'm not saying that we can't fail here, because 41.81's pushing, but we did have some big separation. We are, we're slowing down a little bit. And that might be it. Let's check I'll move the stop up a couple points, because we are starting to roll here. Starting to roll in the 233. Run into the 0 line of 377. This could come up and see if we make a bull flag, something like that. I'd like it to hold this area right here though. If not, you know, we might come back and test the overnight low, and that would be feasible. You know, that they would take it up, you know, to burn some shorts, get them to cover, and then bring it back down to test the low, confirm that this is going to be the low for the day, like right here. If this doesn't break through the high here, it's going to be it for it. Tighten it up. I'm right at the low at that swing. No need to hang on to it. If it wants to break down here, it's going to break down. I mean, it's only one contract. We're up over 5 points. At least I don't see it coming back down here and then moving up from here. Ooh. I am tired yet again, so it's going to be a nice quick day. I haven't even been to sleep. Trying to get some stuff done on some odd hours, so it's going to be hurting other things that I'm doing. If it's going to go, it needs to go now. Coming into the zero line, find support. I guess it could come down. I'd hate to get stopped out. It's flattening out. 987's riding underneath the bottom of the top band, really, so it's not had enough momentum to get it above the band yet. So here we go. And we can look and see. Still holding the 23 of the larger move down. It should go to that 38, that 1095, as long as it holds at 23. There we go. And it really wouldn't hurt for this, now that it spent so much time here, to come back down here and test these lower areas. It'd be a better setup for higher prices. Video is 14 minutes. Needs to get through this 93.7 area. Yeah. Let's come into the zero line. Let's see if it finds support, or if it dips down. Hope everybody had a good night. Hope everybody's doing well. Oh, I forgot to check, see if there's any more numbers coming out. Let's see. January 6th. Oh yeah. PMI. Daggone, I forgot all about that. And then you got factory orders, ISM, then petroleum. So we're gonna get stopped out here. I don't think people are gonna hold this going. Excuse me, going to this number. Let's see. Let me. Get some news going.
The company, it's an owner of the Alibaba stake. Wow. But all of this, of course, comes about because, as Starwood says in its letter, it believes, given the decline in the value of stock recently, that the Alibaba stake at roughly $30 billion is worth the entire company's value.
Well, it's holding at 23% like a champ so far, but at least I guess I'll make sure I got the news right. You know, my days are getting mixed up. Today is Wednesday, isn't it? Today is Wednesday at 8:45 p.m. Alright, let me pause, guys. I'll just turn the volume down. Hello? Hey. They didn't check the brakes last time. I'll take it over there for Saturday and get it done. All they did was pulled the truck in, got out, they hooked the computer thing up to it, and that was it. Right. So I'm assuming they'll do the same thing. All right. All right. Mm-hmm. All right. Bye. All right, guys, I'm back. But yeah, they're waiting for the number. Trying to. I'm gonna pause it until we. Well, let's see. Just got a few seconds. I'll wait. Uh, 54.3. So. Well, that's pretty close to estimates. I think estimates around 54, so not terrible. So let's see if we can break out of this range. One more push. We're up 6.5 points on this last contract. I'm going to tighten it up. This is where we should run into problems here. I don't think we'll punch right through it. Alright, stops, hit. So we've come off the base that we built this pre-market. Nice positive divergences. Just had to be patient. You know, I didn't go all in. Just nibbled in. Was thinking that we were going to the 84 area, which we still might. But we did go to the area that I ultimately thought that we would go to. So 8:47 my time, 6,500, 20 on 20 contracts. So not bad. Hope everybody has a great day, and hope to see you tomorrow.